Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use media queries in CSS. Let's dive right into making your websites responsive across all devices. Media queries are powerful tools that allow your web pages to look great on phones, tablets, and desktops. They essentially ask the browser about its display capabilities, then apply specific styles accordingly. This ensures your content is always presented optimally, no matter the screen dimensions. Understanding the basic syntax is key. You'll typically start with @MediaScreen and followed by your condition in parentheses. For example, min-width 768px applies styles only when the screen is at least 768 pixels wide. Conversely, max-width 480px targets smaller screens. These conditions, often called breakpoints, help you define how your layout should change at different device sizes, ensuring flexibility. Once you've defined your media query, simply nest your CSS rules inside its curly braces. You can adjust almost any property, from making text larger on desktops to stacking columns on mobile. For instance, you might change a 2-column layout to a single column for screens under 600 pixels wide. A mobile-first approach, designing for small screens first and then scaling up, often leads to more efficient and robust responsive designs. For more complex scenarios, you can combine multiple conditions within a single media query using and/or. Always test your designs thoroughly using browser developer tools to simulate different screen sizes and orientations. This ensures your website looks perfect everywhere. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Mastering media queries will significantly enhance your web development skills and user satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.